Hey guys, how are you doing? Yeah, so I welcome you all to this powerful session. I'm gonna take you through instrumentation like I promised. So, first, I would like to introduce myself to those because I believe this video might at least get out there even to people that I do not expect that it will get to. So, for introduction's sake, my name is Feisheton Michael. So what I have here with me is a differential GPS. And the maker is Sino GNSS, and the popular name for the instrument is Comnav. So the model we have right here is Comnav T300. So I'm gonna take you through the exhibition, but first I will take you through the component part, for you to be able to make use of any equipment. At least you must at least understand the rudiments, you understand. So alright, I'm gonna take you through the exhibition and all that right now, but first, okay, first, before I go into that, so I'm gonna unbox right now. So I've unboxed my equipment. So, and I have the full gadgets here. I have the full gadgets and all the necessary accessories as well. So firstly, I'm going to show you the accessories that we have. So such as the chargers. So these are the chargers for the receivers. These are the chargers for the receivers. And we have the charger for the controller. We have the charger for the controller, which is also known as data logger. Don't worry, I will show you all that very soon. So, and I also have downloading cable for the controller. So, yeah, coming. So, and I have my batteries, the batteries for the receivers. So I have 4 batteries here, 2 for the rover and 2 for the base. So also I have here with me the downloading cable for the receivers as well. That's when you make use of static mode for observation. So every data that you acquired on that mode, so you are going to download them straight into your computer, and this is the cable that you will use to connect your receivers to your computer for you to be able to execute the downloading operation. So, and also I have here with me the external radio / external battery. Yes, external radio / external battery cable. So if you want to use external radio, definitely you are going to use external power source, so which is all these car batteries, and we have some portable batteries as well, 12-volt batteries that you can use. So you're going to plug this on the battery, then you attach this to your receivers and this one to your external radio. So having shown you the accessories, then let's go straight into the gadgets that we have. So firstly, I'm going to show you the receivers. So I have, this is a dual frequency GPS, which means, definitely we have single frequency and we have dual frequency. This dual frequency, you can use it for real-time kinematic mode. So I have it here with me, as we use it here in our firm. This is the one we use for our base, while this is for rover. So whenever you get your equipment, you can decide to set whichever one you want as your base and whichever one you want as your receiver, as your rover rather, because when you are getting the equipment, the manufacturer will not specify anyone as base or anyone as rover. You'll be the one to decide whichever one you want to use. However, You can still switch in between the two. You can use this one for base today and the other one for rover tomorrow. But just for you not to get yourself confused at a point in time, so it is advisable for you to use a particular one for your base and a particular one for your rover. So I have here with me a receiver. They are the same, designed the same way, but they have different identity, different ID. So you can identify them with their identity. They have serial numbers. So we identify them with their serial numbers. So here on the receiver, we have the display lights, which is to show you. I have two lights here for my battery. Two lights here will be indicating the battery level. Let me just put a battery for you to see what I'm saying. I'm sorry, I'll be fast so that the duration of the video will not be too long. So I'm gonna power it on. So okay, as I was saying, we have the display light here indicating, giving you some basic information about your equipment. So the first and the last one here is telling you about the battery level. So we have two battery compartments, and once you power on the equipment will be making use of a battery compartment. It has been labeled as A and B. So once you power on the equipment, it will be making use of a battery. So immediately the equipment exhausts this battery, it will quickly swap. It will swap between the two. It will swap to the second battery within a millisecond, without you even knowing that your first battery has been drained. So we have the battery light. We have the one indicating the what is it called? The differential radio communication. This one is to show you that your equipment are transmitting to each other. That is when you are making use of RTK mode. And this one is to show you the satellite. Why this one is to show you Wi-Fi signal. Maybe when you are connected to an external network, like when you on hotspot from your mobile phone. So that's it. I'm gonna power it on right now for you to be able to see. So as you can see the 5 lights. So alright, okay, like I said earlier, this is your battery compartment. You see, as I remove the battery, the equipment went off immediately. So and on the receiver also we have 2 ports. This one is for if you want to download data, having done your what is it called, your static mode operation. So once you acquire data from the site, this is the port that you will use to download your static data, your raw data, for you to be able to process them. So with the required software, I will still take you there, don't worry. So and the second one we have here is for the antenna. It's for the antenna. So the second slot here is for the antenna. So whichever mode you want to use, be it statistic, be it so whichever mode you want to use it for, be it static mode or RTK, so you must make use of your antenna. I don't know why I made mention of statistics. I don't know, maybe I'm going back to school. So that's all we have on our receiver. So the same thing you have here also, it's on the other one. So okay, this place, when you want to attach maybe this short rod, you want to attach it to tripod stand. This is your base, so this is the short one you use to attach it to the tri-back. And for the rover, you attach it straight to your tracking rod. So that's that on the receivers. So I'm gonna go straight to the next gadget here. Okay, I